Okay, some breaking news for you. I remember where you heard it first. So Sha'carri Richardson, she flopped her own show. Didn't manage to advance out of the heats, finishing fifth. Can you believe that? In the 100 meters heats. Um, I have a report that I want to refer to, and this is coming from the Dallas Morning News. All right, we all know that Sha'carri is a um, Texas native, and she shot to the world's attention after she was suspended for smoking marijuana. She did put in a lot of good performances last year before that, though. However, she has um, shown some signs since this season that she might be returning to form. So this might come as a shock to a lot of people. I know it is shocking to me to see that she didn't advance. All right. So it says, despite a few promising races heading into the national championship, Richardson failed to advance out of the first round of the 100 meters. She finished fifth in her heat and did not speak to reporters. That is never a good look for somebody who likes to talk and tweet and all of that stuff. It's never good to try to snub the media, especially in a moment like that. All right. So the 22-year-old Dallas native and the 2018 Carter graduate is also entered in the 200 at the Hayward Field meet. So her hopes of making the US team for the World Championship next month will still be alive. All right. Albeit dimmer. I think she'll make the team. I think this might. Well, then again, the 200. If the no, it's hard. It is going to be hard. All right, and without even making it to the final, she can't even argue for a relay spot unless they want to give it to her. All right. So it says Richardson, who is known for her flashy track suits, fingernail extensions, and ever-changing hair color, as well as a brash and confident personality. Yeah, let's not go into the rest of that. It's a shocker and it's a disappointing performance, and it goes to show that Justin Gatlin is a liar. All right, this 10.3 business, it never happened. All right. All she can do now is go back to the drawing board and try to make the team in the 200, which is going to be harder for her than the 100. It's not impossible, but it's hard because the caliber of athletes in the women's 200 are probably stronger. You have a Gabby Thomas and so on. Will she be there? A strong possibility that she will, but she won't be running the 100, and I doubt she'll be on the 4x1. All right, guys. So that's it. That's the wrap. Sha'carri, I would call that a flop. Yeah, that's definitely a flop. All right. Remember, like, subscribe, and we will see you next time.